Apply the mixamo animation to the CGtrader model. Edit, Preference, Rigify, turn on this. Go to mixamo. I will download this running animation. Turn on in place so that we can make a running cycle animation. Download. Select without skin because we don't need a model this time. Download Rokoko plugin for Blender. You can install the plugin by selecting the zip file you've downloaded. Turn on this. Press Rokoko. Sign in to Rokoko. You can continue with Google. Castle to World Origin. Amateur. Basic human metallic. In front. Scale it a bit. Apply scale. Go to edit mode. Press this button to mirror the change. Press the bones to the correct place. We don't need this bone this time. Generate rig. Select the body, armature, and the rig for the last. Ctrl P. Automatic weights. Hide the armature because we don't need it anymore. In pose mode, you can move the character, but some parts doesn't work well. So we are going to separate the nails to manage the nails same as clothes. Separate. Select the clothes and the nails. And select the rig. Ctrl P with empty groups. Select the main clothes. Add modifier. Date transfer. And the source is the body. Vertex data. Vertex groups. And select the clothes except for the main clothes. And select the main clothes. And Ctrl L. Copy modifiers. Apply the modifiers. For the belt, we have to copy the weight of this main clothes. So change the source to the overall. Apply. Now you can make sure all the parts are moving well. Import the mixamo animation. Go to pose mode. We don't use inverse kinematics this time. If you want to learn about inverse kinematics and forward kinematics, you should learn about Blender rigging. Make it simple. Select mixamo armature and set it to rest position. We can see that both rest poses are different. So I need to make the rest pose of the character same as the mixamo armature to apply the animation. Go to pose mode and press X button and rotate the arm a bit. This pose is almost same from the mixamo. Go to object mode, select the body and duplicate the armature modifier. Now we can save the transform by applying this one. And select the rig. Go to pose mode, pose, apply pose as rest pose. Now we got same pose. Rokoko, retargeting, the source will be mixamo and target is rig. Build bone list. This is the bone list. The left is mixamo and right is our character. The pair of these bones need to have same roles. There are a lot of depth, which means deformation. All of them doesn't work well, so we need to fix all of them. Edit, uncheck lock object modes. Select both rigs and go to pose mode. Now we can select bones of both models. Or make sure mixamo armature has to be pose position. The hip of mixamo is the root bone, which allows us to move the entire character. But the root bone of our character is torso, so change it to torso. Our character has 4 spines. This is a hip, so mixamo has 3 spines. It doesn't match. The bottom part of mixamo spines controls the upper part of the body. but the two bottom spines of our character control the under part of the character, so we can match only two upper parts. Delete this. This spine has to be relevant to this one. This one is spine 1, and this one is spine FK2. Select spine FK2, and this one is spine 2, and this one is spine FK3. Spine FK3. Neck is neck. It's hard to see, but the head is head. All we need to do is selecting the bones that are not deaf. This time, you need to choose FKR. We have fixed all of the bones. Turn on the auto scale and use rest pose. Now go to object mode. Shift S, selection to cursor to match the location of both models. Retarget animation. Now you can make sure the animation is 20 frames and change the end to 20. Press play. Well, imagine importing this character to your game. Thank you for watching.